Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So we are back at Walgreens this week with a basket o' cheap and 9-cent Rimmel cosmetics if you got the 350 digital coupons. And it's really easy, and I'm going to walk you through to get some very inexpensive Rimmel makeup this week. So if you love makeup and cheap stuff, this is the video for you. Before we dive into the stuff, guys, if you could possibly give me a big enthusiastic thumbs up, really helps out the channel and the video. If you could take a second and like the video, I would be so grateful. Okay, the first piece of business we're going to talk about is the fact that nobody got a paper or digital booster. I checked with about 10 of my influencer friends and nobody has seen followers, subscribers, nobody's gotten it. So this is what I'm thinking. They're having this sweepstake. You can go to their site to read all the specifics, but it's for 30,000 winners, and it's up to $3 million of Walgreens cash that they're giving away. So I think they're actually robbing Peter to pay Paul, and they're going to give a lighter week with the boosters to build up the bank for this. Just a theory. I might be completely wrong, but it is rather suspicious that they're advertising this, and we're not getting paper or digital boosters this week. Okay, let's hop into the deals. First one we're going to talk about is the Rimmel Cosmetics at 40% off. So this guy, which is a foundation, a liquid foundation, it's $3.59. A lot of us got a $3.50 off digital coupon, making this 9 cents. Double, triple check your coupons, what you might have and what is attaching. We're obviously going to look at this tomorrow for the curbside pickup, because I know that some of you, it's just a bit easier to do this curbside. We also have a $2 digital, or alternatively, you'll have a $3.50 off the lipsticks or the lip glosses. And this guy is $2.99 at 40% off. So with the $2 digital, it's 99 cents. One of my cards got $3.50s and the other card got $2, depending what it is. So it's all over the place. But I think tomorrow for a curbside, if you're a curbside shopper, we'll definitely be able to cook up some deals. And then, so it's eyes, lips, and face. And this is the eye portion. I have a $2 off on this card. We have this waterproof mascara for $2.99, $2 digital, it would make it 99 cents. So at the very least, if you want to grab items with the 350 digitals, if you might have all three of them, make it happen. Now, this is the most reasonable laundry care deal of the week. It's the $7.49 Arm & Hammer. I want to answer a very quick question. If you might be thinking that the P&G spend 15, get back a $5 P&G register reward is still ongoing, that ended on the 19th. So that is done. And if you have any of those register rewards, use them before they expire. Back to this. This is on a buy one, get two for free. And then guess what? We have a $1.50 off a 3 digital coupon that is in fact attaching. So grabbing 3 of these laundry care items, I probably would go with the scent beads because I love those. $7.49 for 3. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $5.99 for the 3, or $1.99 per laundry care product. And as we're not having any boosters this week, it is okay to use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance for all of these deals. Or alternatively, if you have a register reward from last week and you're like, hey, I want a smaller out of pocket, by all means, throw that into the mix for a much smaller out of pocket. Now, this is kind of a weird one, and I would recommend to do it as a curbside pickup because these items are a little bit cheaper as a curbside. We're looking at one of the Axe pomades and then one of the Axe hair care products. So we got this very generous $7.50 off a 2 digital coupon this morning. At the very least, load it. Please pay attention, class. It says hair care, so this does not include body wash. It's for hair care items only. Find it merchandised in the shampoo aisle. Okay, so one of each is $12.48 curbside. Subtracting that monster of a digital coupon, which is a $7.50 off a 2, you'll pay $4.98. Get back, get a receipt as well, because Fetch Rewards, if your account has it, has 2,000 points back when you buy on the hair care. So it'd be $2.98 for the 2, or $1.49 per product. And you got to ensure that you have that Fetch rebate. I know that not every card has it. Now for the Axe body wash and the deodorant, we also have this $7.50 off digital. Please load it, guys. Grabbing 2 of the Axe body washes, it'll be $11.58. They're like $5.99-ish each. Subtracting your digital coupon, which is a $7.50 off of 2, you're paying $4.48 for the 2 or $2.24 per body wash. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, as we do not have boosters this week. Another fantastic shampoo deal is with the Garnier Fructis or the whole blends. Now, I had this gut feeling that the manufacturer would do this, and they did it. They combined the 3 off of 2 that you pick, either the Fructis or the whole blends. It's not like 2 separate coupons as they've done before, so it's just a curveball for us. So looking at this one, grabbing 2 of the Garniers, you pick if you want the whole blends or the Fructis for $8. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $5. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $2 for the 2 or $1 per shampoo or conditioner. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash for this one, as nobody has a booster. Now, I also want to throw this in. The register reward deals, where you get that goofy printout from the Catalina machine, that is in store only. It is not part of curbside offers. It's for the newer shoppers out there that are like, I'll just order all this stuff curbside. Unfortunately, register rewards, you have to go in store. Very cheap dental care deal this week is to grab 2 of the $4.50 Colgate products. So I grabbed a toothpaste and a toothbrush. If you wanted to grab a toothpaste and a mouth rinse, alternatively, you can do that deal as well. We're going to load the following $2 digital coupons. I will let you know that these did not reset. These are from last week. So we have a $2 for the toothbrush and a $2 for the paste. This is just a very straightforward deal. Grabbing 2 of these products is exactly $9. Subtracting the two $2 coupons, that's $4 melting off. You're going to pay $5. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $1 for the 2 or 50 cents per dental care product. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash to pay, as we have no boosters this week. 50 cents is definitely a stock up price in this girl's book. I think it's a very good price point for Colgate, and the crest is just a bit more rich this week. So this is the one I would be stocking up on if you're just itching to get out to the store and do a couple of deals. Now we're going to look at a deal for some diapers. We're going to be looking at the Pampers Easy Ups that are 2 for $21. $4 reward when you buy 2. We're going to load this best friend, which is the 3 off of 2 digital coupon. Please make sure you have it loaded. Grabbing 2 of those bags is $21. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $18. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $14 for the 2 or $7 per bag. If you consider the original price for these, it's usually like $10, $11. That's not a bad little price. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash or register rewards from other deals to pay down the balance for this one, because this is a little bit out of pocket. But if you are in need of diapers or you're trying to build up a little stockpile of them, not the worst little deal, especially if you have a ton of Walgreens cash in your account. Now, this deal with the Scott, I think it's the paper deal of the week. You can either grab a mix of a toilet paper and paper towel, or you can grab 2 of each, but only 2. And then we're going to load the Walgreens coupon, the one at the top, which is the $1.25 off of 1, and the digital manufacturer from last week, which is the 3 off of 2. Now, that 3 off of 2 is from last week. It expires on the 26th. So if you haven't used it, I would definitely recommend to use it this week. Pretty straightforward little deal here. 2 of those Scott's products at $5 a pop. That's $10 for the 2. Subtracting that Walgreens coupon, we're subtracting $2.50 off. And the manufacturer, which is the 3 off of 2, boom, you're going to pay $4.50 for the 2 or $2.25 per paper product. It is okay to use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, as we have no boosters. Also, my friends, if you already use that 3 off of 2 and you want to do this deal again, check your ShopMeum account. I know that my account had a 3 off of 2. You can apply for that again and get another $3. If you don't have that 3 off 2 digital, but you're like, hey, I want to do this paper deal again, check your ShopMeum. Maybe worth doing it that way. Everybody's favorite body wash, Dove, that's $7. The promotion for this is to buy 2 and get back a $3 register reward. So grab whichever 2 that you like. And then this morning we got a 4 off of 2 digital coupon that's attaching to these. I just grabbed those two. So this is the one that you're going to load. As you can see, it expires November the 5th, so load it. It's definitely worth it. So grabbing 2 of these for $14, subtracting that digital coupon, the 4 off of 2, you're going to pay $10. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $7 for the 2 or $3.50 per body wash. And again, it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And since none of us have a booster because they're doing something with us this week, I would definitely use Walgreens cash or other register rewards to pay down the balance so you're really not feeling this one out of pocket. Okay, my friends, before I skedaddle off into the big sunset, I want to talk about some more clearance toys and give you visuals. All of these are $90, and the employees didn't tag it. So that sensory slime bucket was $1.49. That little squishy thing was $1.59. So what you would do is just grab a couple items, ask a cashier at the photo desk, like, hey, could you possibly give me a price check? Be super nice as well. And then typically they'll just give you a price check. That Pokemon thing was $1.59, and that I don't know, the action toy or whatever was 99 cents. And like this store, I think they have limited staff, so hanging these 90% tags, not a big priority. So this is Candyland, and I found all of this on a Saturday. That little Squishville was $1.59. I only found one. I have 3 nieces that are all the same age, so if I found 3, I would have bought them all, but I only found one, so I left it there. And then some sort of toy with collectibles at 48 cents. Nobody wanted them. Go figure. So the toys are still plentiful. If you see these orange tags, and if they are like 50 or 75, ask for a price check. And even yesterday, I was still finding a ton. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.